Howdy, let's check out installed equipment in HunterNet 2. Log in, and you can access installed equipment from the store dashboard or from the View Equipment tab in the site menu. If you scroll down, you'll see your installed equipment at the bottom of the page. And this is a listing of all the equipment that is installed at your workshop according to Hunter records, whether it is connected or not. So again, this is all the equipment that you have installed in your workshop. If you click a piece of equipment, you can see more details. You'll see the model number, age, and installation date. You can also request service to your local Hunter team, order consumables for your Hunter equipment, and access training videos through Hunter's YouTube learning channel. You can also access product specifications and operations manual, which is quite handy for OSHA requirements.